On the morning of March 15, 44 BC, Julius Caesar was assassinated by a group of Roman senators, led by his close friend and ally, Marcus Brutus. Caesar had just been appointed dictator for life by the Roman Senate, and many saw this as a dangerous expansion of his power. Among them was Brutus, who had previously supported Caesar's rise to power, but now feared that he would become a tyrant. Together with a group of fellow senators, Brutus hatched a plan to kill Caesar and restore the Roman Republic. On the morning of the assassination, Caesar arrived at the Senate as usual, unaware of the danger that awaited him. As Caesar took his seat, the conspirators closed in around him, stabbing him repeatedly with their knives. Caesar fought back, but was ultimately overpowered. Caesar's assassination sent shockwaves throughout the Roman world, and had far-reaching consequences. The fall of the Roman Republic and the rise of the Roman Empire can be traced back to this dramatic event. The assassination of Julius Caesar was a turning point in history, shaping the course of the Roman Empire and influencing events to this day. This is the story of Brutus and the Ides of March. In the years following Caesar's assassination, Brutus became a key figure in the Roman Republic, and even played a role in the assassination of Caesar's rival, Marcus Antonius. However, Brutus's career was ultimately cut short when he was defeated and killed in the Battle of Philippi in 42 BC, fought against the forces of Antonius and Caesar's adopted son, Octavian. Ironically, Brutus's own assassination helped pave the way for the rise of the Roman Empire, just as he had hoped to prevent it with the assassination of Julius Caesar.